This is our car here in Sri Lanka, the Suzuki Hustler. Thank you so much. First things first is, how did I find this rental car? And I went to Google and just looked through all the reviews, and Sri Lanka rental cars was my favorite pick. We paid $42.50 per day plus a $300 refundable deposit, and then you pay a 30% before you arrive here to the company through a safe online link, and that's it. And then when you arrive, you get your car. And we were really excited because they showed us a photo of the Suzuki Hustler, and first thing when we saw the car, we said, yes, we want that car. How about driving in Sri Lanka? You need to have your driving license translated, just like in Japan. For Europeans or Germans, I had to do that. So what I did is I took a picture of my passport, my driving license, and then I sent it to the car rental company. It costs about $40, so I paid $40 for that, and then you get a Sri Lankan translated driving license. Now, what side are we driving here in Sri Lanka, my friends? On the left side. That's correct. We're driving here on the left side. We have a car in Thailand, so driving on the left side is not a problem for us. But if you didn't know, now you know. What we're doing is we record some traffic pass by. And we're using the PCM D100. Traffic sounds are important. Let's have a listen. Beautiful. Well, I'm going to record a lot more, of course. So now let's see what else we can find here on our way to the north. This is a really hot roof. Alrighty, let's head over to another location. Now come with me here at the beach. It's recording some beach ambience. It's windy, we have crows here. We have the beautiful coast. This is nice. It's gonna clean up. One good deed today. How about we set up the gear right in here? Now let's listen to the beautiful calm ocean waves here in Sri Lanka. Beautiful, isn't it? So what you do is, if you come to Negombo and you want to see that, you just drive the main road, but then you take a left. So then you go these very, very small picturesque road all along the coast. All right, we're packing up and see what else we can find on our way to the north. Alright, driving with the Hustler is already an eye catcher, so we can really tell people looking at the car, and then when they figure out two Westerners, I think it's like they can't handle it, so they just smile. It's really funny. Some really fun interactions that we already had here on the road, especially I think not many foreigners or Westerners come up here in this area, because they mostly stay in the south or they go more inwards east, but we really want to go up north, and It has been an interesting journey because there is Buddhism, there's Christianity. Now we are here in the area where many Muslims living, and now what we're doing is we go up north, which is Hinduism. And this is all, you can really see the difference just here on that tiny stretch that we're driving, the small roads through all these different communities. So it's really cool, and by the way, the road is fantastic. So we just stopped here for a little bit. So how about we listen to some small town ambience? Now what we're doing is we go to our hotel, which is only a 5-minute drive from here. We just checked in, and now what we're doing is we go to the viewpoint because we would like to see the sunset. Let's see if we can make it. Otherwise, this is still very, very pretty here. How many Westerners come here? Oh, one more. I also want one. Hold on. The sun has set. Now just for YouTube purpose, because there is, I think I hear music all the way in the background. And then we have our kids over there, and we have crows. So now just have a listen here to this beautiful ambience, but it would be way nicer without the music. This is really beautiful for the eye, and to see that. Oh, but we can't record this because we have the music in the background. So again, it's a memory for you, for us, but nothing for a sound library. Here's one thing we can do. I can have my recording device, just a PCM A10, so we don't get a lot of background noise, because sometimes when you have this situation, you don't actually want to use microphones that can pick up sounds from very far away, right? So how about we just have that recorder here and placing it on the ground and then record from here, but still facing to the water, so we have more of the water sound too, which is like an overlayer to the background music. And then later in post, I hope that we don't pick up music. Good morning everyone. It's 5:45 right now and we are just waiting for this absolutely stunning sunrise. I'm out here since 3:30 already recording all these amazing sounds. It's not just the sound of the water from the lagoon splashing here against the shore, but we also right underneath the palm trees. Luckily, the resort that we stay in here has only 3 units and we're the only one here, so we don't disturb anyone. Look at the sunrise. Look at this. Just look and listen. Look, there's another heron. Oh. Let's have a little walk down the street. Oh. You hear that? I know what's happening. I'm going to set this up, and then it stops. I'm afraid. I think we have enough for our first video, but we promise you that it won't be the last. We're going around Sri Lanka and we want to make more videos. Now, if you would like to know where we are right now, it is exactly here. Now, this is not an unknown location, especially in the kite surfing community. So many people come here in the main season to kite surf, but probably not in the area that we are right now. More on the other side of the lagoon, on the ocean front or on the coastlines. But if you love bird watching, because I can't even count how many beautiful birds we saw here, you should really come here and check it out. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments down below, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.